everyone, I'm Dr. Q, and as you know, the coronavirus known as COVID-19 is a global pandemic. But what you may not know is that COVID-19 is impacting cybercrimes all over the world. Therefore, today I have Victor Cangianti, who is the co-owner and CEO of Proven Data. Victor?
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
Excited to be here.
Yes, I'm very excited to have him because he's going to clear up a lot of confusion and give us a lot of information that many of us are not aware of. So my first question to you, as you know, COVID-19 has been a huge game changer for all of us. What information can you provide someone like me who is foreign to the cyber world in regards to COVID-19? And what would you say there are more crimes because of COVID-19?
What we're seeing now is that we have people that are taking advantage of other people's fear as a result of this pandemic, unfortunately. We're seeing that in the form of mass emails that are going out to people, and they're actually providing information that is correct information, but it's supposedly set up as the World Health Organization. But when someone goes to that website, they're downloading malware, ransomware, password loggers, and all sorts of nasty stuff.
Wow. So, you brought up a great point. So I did hear that there's malicious sites out there replicating the World Health Organization and CDC. So you're telling me that's true. What can you tell me about this?
Anytime you get an email from the CDC or the World Health Organization, bottom line, they're not going to email you. The best bet is to go directly to their site. And even if you're getting an email from a trusted source like a friend, don't click on that email unless you verify with them that there's, it is them sending the email.
Yeah, that clears up a lot of confusion that, that's been going around. So many of us are working from home now. What precautions can we take and what do we look out for?
One thing we have to understand is that small businesses, the good majority of them are not set up to be working from home, okay? And anytime a small business takes on an employee that works from home, that employee is using their own personal computer. They're likely not issued their company laptop or computer. So you have to worry about what they have set up on their personal computer, which may not be as secure as the small business network. Okay, so some of the things that you can do as a consumer and small business is to use a VPN, right? That's one of the most important things. Using simple things like strong passwords, two-factor authentication for all your accounts, just making sure that you have a backup in place, check where you're storing your data and it's being backed up regularly. You're also going to want to, if you're using like a remote desktop protocol, definitely make sure that you're using two-factor on that, because what we're finding is a lot of the attacks are coming in through remote desktop, and a lot of these small businesses are going to be opening up these ports because they're working remotely. So that's a big thing. And of course, you're always going to want to use your antivirus solution. Windows comes just bundled with one, which is actually pretty good right now. So that will work in stopping a lot of the malware and ransomware.
Wow, that's very helpful. And these are many things that I personally didn't know, especially as a small business owner. So lastly, is your company doing anything about the COVID-19 crisis?
Yes, actually we are. And I mentioned small business, right? And we feel like they're going to be the ones that are suffering the most as a result, unfortunately. What we're doing now is we're offering free consultation services to help them get set up remotely, right?
Wow, that's amazing.
They come to us, they ask us, what do I need to get set up? What do I need for security? And we pretty much let them know what they need to do. We're also providing free scans to ensure that they're safe and they're not a potential target. So that's another thing we're offering. We actually just announced that we're offering our services for free to hospitals that may be impacted from ransomware attacks. As you know or may not know, hospitals are a big target, medical facilities for ransomware, and we can come in and essentially help a hospital at no cost in this crisis. So that's one of the things we feel that it's very important that hospitals do not get interrupted when they're trying to treat patients.
Wow, that's amazing. Those services are great, and the hospitals really need it right now, especially because they are worked, the staff, the hospitals itself. So that's great. So Victor, thank you for that, and thank you so much for clearing up all these questions that I had, and I'm sure that you guys had at home.
Great, thank you.